In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the Indian authorities have imposed curfew-like restrictions in Srinagar and the adjoining areas and suspended internet services to prevent the traditional 8th and 10th Muharram processions. Restrictions were particularly imposed in Ram Munshi Bagh, Koti Bagh, Maisuma, Karal Khud, Shaheed Ganj, Shergadi, Patamalu, Khan Yar and Karan Nagar areas of the city. The authorities also suspended mobile internet services in the Kashmir Valley. In a handout to the media, the police said that the Muharram processions from Guru Bazar to Dal Gate in Srinagar has not been allowed by the authorities. Several mourners were detained when they tried to defy the restrictions and carry out Muharram processions. Mourners in small group gathered at Jahangir Chowk and Batamula areas of Srinagar city, but police swung into action and arrested them. The fact is, Muharram processions have been disallowed along traditional routes in Srinagar, mainly on 8th and 10th of the Muharram. Since 1989, by the administration fearing these may turn into a big anti-India demonstrations. Since then, only some morning processions are allowed in some Srinagar city's interior areas. The Civil Society Forum chairman Abdul Qayyum Wani, in a statement issued in Srinagar demanding the opening of Srinagar Jamia Masjid and release of Mir Wais Umar Farooq from illegal house detention. Hurriyat leader and Jammu and Kashmir Salvation Movement chairman Altaf Ahmed Butt expressed gratitude to the government and the people of Pakistan for observing August 5th as Yom-e-Istisal. Addressing the media in Islamabad, he said that Pakistan's observance of the day against the illegal, immoral and undemocratic actions of India on August 5, 2019 has once again proved the Pakistan stands side by side with the freedom struggle of Kashmiris. The Washington-based Indian diaspora group Indian American Muslim Council in a statement said that ever since the BJP-led Indian regime revoked Article 370 3 years ago, extrajudicial killings, enforced disappearance, prolonged detentions have increased to a larger number. Earlier, the New York-based Human Rights Watch in a statement had also pointed out that the revoking of the Kashmiri special status on August 5, 2019 has increased insecurity among the Kashmiri people.